their tea. You know that. Their delicacy drink there is tea. Even when you visit them, they give you their majan, green or black, where you don't put sugar. But now, 200 million young Chinese are drinking coffee. That's why a new brand in China has emerged to compete with Starbucks. I think you know the name. It's like something. The new coffee brand. So the price is first determined by the supply. Is it undersupplied? Was the production adequate? If all the countries, God forbid, got a bumper harvest, certainly the supply will outstrip demand, and therefore the price will go down. If the production is not adequate, the price will go up, will go up, will go up. But also, what contributes to the demand? New markets opening up, more young people taking up. In my own family, my children take more coffee than milk, which fed us up to the age of 20. So that's really the dynamics. And of course, the beauty with coffee is that, like the director said from UCDA, it is globally consumed. It is globally consumed. It's not a beverage for one area. Just like you would say, bongo is for one group. You know bongo, yogurt. Not everybody takes bongo. Or you would say cassava. It's good for breakfast, but not everybody will take cassava. It is those who have ever taken it. But coffee is universally accepted across the globe. So that's why its price is not a country issue or a regional issue. Tumaliriza?
Butono nnyo ate tulaba omuwendo gw'abalimi abawandiisiddwa gukyali wansi. Singa akadde ako tunaaba tetukatuukiriza mu budde, omulimi anaaba tawandiisiddwa mu kiseera ekyo agenda kukolebwa atya? Ekirala, mulimi kyatunuuliddwa kubanga waliwo ayina ataweza yadde ne yiika naye nga naye ayina emmwanyi. N'oyo omulimi tumutunuulidde tumuwandiisa.
First of all, amakulu amalungi EU olw'okuula amadoboozi mangi agava mu nsi ezifulumya emmwanyi bayongeddeyo omwaka gumu extension kutuyamba okuwandiika bonna. Now, extension eno bwenaaba ewedde kitegeeza abanaaba batunda emmwanyi mu EU kusaawa eyo baabo bemaze kuwandiika. But n'okuwandiika continues. I may not qualify to sell to the EU now because I have not registered. Okay? But when I comply at a later stage, ntunda. Yes. So, sikugamba extension bwegwayo kiba kimaze ddala nga bwe kyalaga sibiri ebirala. So, at that moment, oyinza butatunda. But we're qualifying mu maaso okola ki? Otunda. Yes. Coffee producing countries to do more registration and compliance. So we believe in 1 year more, we shall have really registered a substantial number, including the smallholder people. N'aba half acre, era be bangi nabo tubawandiika. Si kugamba tuwandiika abanene bokka. So extension by the time the extension expires, we shall have registered a substantial number. Now, even when the extension expires, registration will continue. The only difference is that whoever will not have registered cannot export at that point his or her coffee. But after registration in the future, you will be compliant, you will therefore qualify to export. Thank you. We go to. How are you?